Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my today's video. Now in my today's video, I'm gonna talk to you people about all my current skincare, body care and beauty care favorites. Now these are all the products that I've been using pretty consistently for over months now at this point almost, and I've been really enjoying and loving using each and every of these products. So yeah, I really wanted to sit down and share each and everything with you guys. So this is what this video is going to be about. Also, before beginning with the video, let me tell you that all of these products have worked out pretty nicely for my particular skin type, that is normal to combination skin type almost. So if you're anywhere around that skin type, you can check out these products, but if you're not, you should totally do your research first and then only go ahead to buy the product. And even after getting the product, do the patch test first and then only go ahead with the full-fledged application of the product. So yeah, that's all the disclaimer I wanted to give you. And now we should totally begin with the video because it is already going to be a really long one. So let's begin with the video now. Okay, so for past 6 to 8 months, I've been really into double cleansing, and the product that I've been really enjoying using for my double cleansing routine is this one. This is Garnier Micellar Water and this is their oil infused variant. Now I love this one so much that this is my second new bottle. I've already finished a complete huge bottle, like one of these bottles already before. Now I know how not everybody can afford all those cleansing balms and cleansing oils that are available in the market these days for doing your double cleansing these days. Those are really expensive. So this is really an affordable deal here that you can also go for. This is such a huge bottle and it lasts you so damn longer than those cleansing balms and cleansing oils would last you. I personally have used a few cleansing oils in the past for taking care of my double cleansing routine, but yeah, those were really not sustainable for me. Also, one of those cleansing oil really gave me horrible breakouts, so I stopped using those, and since then I've been using this particular product. Now this is the cleanser I really got influenced by the internet into buying. This is Foxtail's hydrating cleanser. It is really a gentle creamy formula that foams up so well to clean your face. It does not sting my eyes, it does not irritate my face, it does not strip off my face from its natural moisture. It claims that it cleanses deeply and removes makeup too, so I really prefer using this on the days that I do not apply any SPF or any makeup on my face, so that I do not have to go in with my double cleansing routine. I just go in with this single product, single cleanser, and it takes care of the job, takes care of the cleansing, the deep cleansing. And yeah, I really love the formula. This shower oil from the brand L'Occitane is another amazing product that I tried out very recently. Now I got this scent by the brand itself for the brand collaboration, and yes, I got really lucky like that because it is such an expensive product, but at the same time, taking your shower with this shower oil feels super expensive and super bougie experience, like shower experience. It has really rich nutty sweet almond oil scent to it, and mind that it's a shower oil and not your regular shower gel, so it leaves this moisturizing film almost all over your body post taking your shower with this shower product. And yeah, it's really an amazing product. But at the same time, if I were to buy this with my own money and then come here and talk about this product with these kind of reviews, I don't know if I have really done that. But yeah, this is something I've really enjoyed using in the past few months. Okay, since it was monsoon, I did not really feel like experimenting too much with my body lotions, so here are the two very basic body lotions. Both are from Vaseline that I used all during my summers almost and during my monsoons too, because they are pretty huge quantity and they are really affordable too. And for all the middle class girlies, especially the school going girls and the college going girls, you may definitely go ahead and use both of these body lotions if you do not already. This is the aloe vera variant from Vaseline, and this is their Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance. The smell of this one is amazing, and it feels really ultra light on your skin. I know these days a lot of new brands are coming out with their body lotions, and how there are scented versions, unscented versions, and so many different kinds of body lotions for different skin types. But I personally feel that you need a really generous amount of product to apply all over your body for a body lotion in order to nourish and moisturize your body well. So yeah, I would like to go for something that comes in a great quantity for a really affordable price. So these were the ones that I personally stuck to, and I loved the formula of both of these. They're both really non-sticky and ultra lightweight formulas. So yeah, now this is something that I started using because of my sister. This is Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On. Now it is supposed to serve you with two purposes. Since it has 5% AHA to it, it is supposed to help you with dark underarms, and it's supposed to lighten them, which is definitely not the case for me. So I'm really fortunate to say that. Anyway, second thing is, it is supposed to fight the odor there that is in your armpits, and oh my god, let me tell you, it definitely serves that purpose right. It definitely keeps your armpits odorless for straight 10+ hours, and I love this particular roll-on for that. It has aqua fragrance to it. The fragrance is really mild, but if you have really sensitive underarms, I don't know if it would suit you or not, but it's a really good product otherwise. Another gem product that I really wanted to include in my today's video, this is AHA BHA PHA 30 days miracle toner from Some by Mi. This is really a miracle toner, but I do not use it more than twice a week. Sometimes I use it only once a week, and yeah, just that. You shouldn't really be using this product more than that. How to use this product is that you just have to simply pour down a little solution onto a cotton pad and then swipe that all over your face evenly. Just a single or maybe a double coat, and not more than that. Do not rub it too much into your face. Just go very gentle on your face, and yeah, you just follow it up with your other favorite toner. The other toner should not have the active ingredients to it, or you may just follow it up with some moisturizer, a really hydrating one, and the next morning you would wake up with the brightest and the healthiest glow on your face. And it really mildly exfoliates your face in a very beautiful way, and it really helps you achieve that textureless and bumpless texture on your face over time. This is what it has personally done for my skin, for my face, and I really love using this toner every once in a while. One more holy grail product of mine is this toner from Tony Moly. This is their Wonder Ceramide Mochi toner. Now look at the amount, look at the quantity of the product you get here, but it is definitely an expensive one. Again, it comes for 1500 rupees something. The last product that I showed you, the Some by Mi Miracle Toner, it also retails for 1550 rupees. But yeah, you can definitely get all of these products on Nykaa when there's a huge sale going on, some discount going on. So coming to this one, this has been my ultra every morning go-to product. I remember I used to wake up and then just ice my face with this ice roller, and then I would just use a tiny bit of this product. I would just pour it down into my palm and then pat it into my skin like dab. And yeah, it's so good. First of all, it makes your skin feel so damn hydrated and moisturized, and in a very beautiful way. And then it over time makes your skin really soft, supple, baby like mochi soft. It has really added that suppleness to my skin, and yeah, I really have loved using this toner from Tony Moly. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer from Dot & Key. It is their Dot & Key Ceramides and Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer. It is supposed to help you with the damaged skin barrier. If you have compromised or broken skin barrier, definitely go ahead and check this product out. It is again an ultra light formula for your skin, and it feels super non-sticky and lightweight and nourishing and everything for your face. Again, I just love. I think I've been using this product for past 1 to 1.5 years almost, and this time I've gotten the biggest tube for myself, and I just cannot stop using this moisturizer whatsoever. It is so good. Another beautiful find that I found out was this one. This is from Conscious Chemist. It is the Defender Peptide Retinol Night Cream. Now this was my first ever retinol product. Anything that I have used on my face that had retinol in it was this product. Now I had heard some really good reviews about this particular night cream from some beauty influencer only, so I got this. I was really excited when I got this, but at the same time I was really scared to put this on after getting this. But the very first day I applied this on my face, the next morning I woke up to this really pretty, supple and glowing skin. Trust me, it's a really beautiful formula. If you are also a person who wants to try out retinol on your skin, but if you're really scared to try out your first ever retinol application in any other form, especially the retinol serums, because those look really intimidating and they just feel really intimidating, you can definitely go ahead and try this cream out. You have to use a very small, only a pea size amount of it, and just spread it all over your face. After applying some good toner, I just use my ceramide mochi toner from Tony Moly, and then I go ahead with this one. I again use this one also once or twice a week, not more than that. You're not supposed to use this more than twice a week. And yeah, it's a really beautiful, gentle retinol formulation inside this tube from Conscious Chemist. In my sunscreens, I really have loved using these two sunscreens in the past few months. Both of these are almost empty. This one's from Foxtail. Now I have really not heard anybody talking about this particular sunscreen, but I really loved the application of this sunscreen. This definitely takes a little time to get blended into your skin, so if you're a person who cannot be patient with your sunscreens, do not buy this. But I absolutely loved the application of this sunscreen because the formula is really creamy, and when you apply it, you really get the feel that you're applying some sunscreen and you are really using some sun protection on your face. So it takes a little while to get blended into your skin, but it definitely settles beautifully and does not leave any white cast to your face post its application. Also, it has SPF 50 PA++++. It also has niacinamide and vitamin C to it to brighten up your face along with the protection from the sun. It leaves a very matte dewy finish on your face, and I personally really enjoyed using this sunscreen from Foxtail. Another one has been a cult favorite. This is from Dot & Key. It is their watermelon cooling sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Again, this however has a little runny consistency to it, so yeah, it gets blended into your skin very easily. And the fragrance, I think it has no fragrance. Yeah, it says fragrance free here. It has no fragrance to it whatsoever, but the formula again leaves your skin with very dewy glowy finish. So I think most of the people would enjoy using this as a sunscreen on their. I think this is my third beautiful find from Foxtail again. This is Foxtail's The Diva Overnight Glow Mask. You are just supposed to apply this all over your face on a clean face and then leave it overnight, and the next morning you again wake up to a really plump, supple, bright, glowy, like you know, that healthy glowy finished skin. And it really does that, like it claims that, and it really leaves your skin like that. It has AHA, PHA and pro vitamin B5 to it. It really helps you achieve that glowy, texture free, smooth skin. The only problem I face with this overnight glow mask is that you really feel super uncomfortable to fall asleep. Like it's really not possible for you to fall asleep very easily with this glow mask on. It feels really sticky. It sticks to your pillow cover, it sticks to your hair, it sticks all over your face. And if you're a person who cannot bear that, cannot tolerate that, do not buy this. Or you can do one thing totally that I myself am personally gonna start doing with this, is that I'm gonna start using this in the daytime instead of my nighttime. So I'm just gonna apply this in the daytime and just leave it on for like 5-6 hours maybe, and then just rinse it off and then follow it up with my nice moisturizer and other skincare. This way I am definitely gonna achieve the healthy glow that this particular product gives me, and also not get discomforted all throughout my night while this stays on or whatever. For my serums, I again did not experimented much. I think these are the only two serums that I have really stuck to applying, and I used both of these serums really consistently. This one's from The Ordinary. This is their niacinamide serum, and this is Plum's niacinamide plus rice water serum. Now both of these products have niacinamide in them, and I believe niacinamide for my particular skin type has been really a boon. Like, I love how both of these serums are milky consistency, and I don't know, like, niacinamide works for my skin really amazingly. Both of these really have given my skin this beautiful texture and beautiful healthy glow, and over time they have really improved the elasticity of my skin almost. So I've really enjoyed using both of these serums equally much, and I think I'm gonna re-buy both of these products separately, like this one and this one. Both of these ones have been really amazing to my skin. Okay, for my lip care, I've gotten two lip products over here. This one's Wish Care Ceramide Lip Balm. Now the only reason I got this was its SPF 50 and PA triple plus quality. Like, it has gotten sun protection to it, so I thought, why not just get it. It feels like a really nice tinted chapstick. However, the moisturizing capacity of it is not really up to the mark. I mean, it's hydrating, but it's not ultra hydrating. So I like applying it. I apply it, and on the top of it I go in with my lipstick or whatever lip color I go for my usual office days, and yeah, that's all. This one, however, is on an extremely nourishing side. This formula is so amazing. Look at the amount of product that I have already used in here. This is Biocule's Glow Lip Balm. This is strawberry lip balm, and it has squalene and omega and vitamin E inside it. Now this is something that I got as a freebie in one of my Nykast packages, and I did not know that I'm gonna start loving this product so much. I really loved it even more than Vaseline's Rosy Lip Therapy. That was the last lip product that I loved so much. It really feels so buttery smooth on your lips, and it hydrates and nourishes them like anything, and I just love this product so much. Now, if you people know me, if you watch my day-to-day vlogs, you would just know that I am not into makeup much. I really don't like applying too much makeup on my face. I really like to keep my makeup look very minimal and very chic, very clean girl makeup sorta look, the no makeup kind almost. So yeah, I do not have so many makeup favorites here with me, but I just wanted to share these two products here in my makeup favorites, my current makeup favorites. So this is the lipstick from Mamaearth, and I really love this shade. This is a very peachy shade. It looks like this, and it is very office appropriate shade for me personally, and it is their 09 Honey Blush shade. Now I love the fact how Mamaearth has a huge variety of shades, especially for the Indian skin tones, Indian brown skin tones. I really like the formulas that Mamaearth have in the collection. I do not find them really drying. Like, I've heard so many people saying the formulas are really drying. For me personally, I go in with my lip balm first, and then my lipstick, and then on the top I go in with some lip gloss or some lip oil. So it really is not the problem for me. I really loved using this shade from Mamaearth personally so much, and yeah, this is my first favorite in the makeup or beauty care. And then the second one is this clear gel mascara or brow product from elf. Now this is their clear brow and lash mascara, yeah, and you may see that it is completely empty from both the sides. It's really a good product, especially if you're a person who does not like to apply the regular black mascara to your lashes. You can definitely buy something like this. It is really amazing. I love the way it sets up my brows, like, you know, in a very bushy and spiky way. Just sets them right. Even today I've used a bit of this product only to set my brows up. I do not like applying it on my lashes really, but I really love the application of this product on my brows a lot. So yeah, I'm definitely considering to get this one again. And yes, that was it for this video, guys. Those were all the products that I really wanted to share with you all in my today's video. Do let me know how did you find the video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope it was useful to some of you guys in some or the other way. And if you really want me to film these kind of videos on a more frequent basis, please do let me know of that too in the comments down below. I will meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.